Did you know that data entry is one of the most searched work-from-home job categories in 2025? That's right. In an era where remote work has become more than just a trend, data entry roles are now at the heart of flexible income opportunities for people across the globe. But let's be real. For every legit data entry job out there, there's a dozen scams waiting to snatch your time, or worse, your money. So today, we're diving deep. I'm going to walk you through what data entry actually involves, the key skills you need to succeed, and a curated list of 15 legitimate platforms hiring remote data entry workers, no experience needed. Let's get into it. What is a data entry job? At its core, a data entry job is simple but essential. You're transferring data from one format to another, ensuring that information is accurately digitized. This could mean taking handwritten notes and entering them into a spreadsheet. Or maybe it's updating customer records, transcribing audio files, or filling out online forms. And it's not just one industry that needs data entry. Healthcare uses it for patient records. Finance? Invoices and transactions. E-commerce? Inventory updates. Even researchers rely on data entry to compile survey results. Bottom line. Wherever there's data, there's a need for someone to organize and digitize it. That someone could be you. Skills and tools you need to succeed. So, what does it take to be good at data entry? First, typing speed matters. Aim for at least 40 to 60 words per minute, and if you're faster, that's even better. Just remember, accuracy matters more than speed. A fast typer who constantly needs to backtrack isn't efficient. Next, your digital toolbox. You should be comfortable using Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, and maybe even CRM platforms like Salesforce or Zoho. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech wizard. Just be willing to learn. You'll also need some basic hardware, a decent laptop, high-speed internet, and a comfortable, ergonomic setup. Trust me, your back will thank you. And let's not forget soft skills. Time management is key, especially if you're juggling multiple freelance gigs. And attention to detail? Non-negotiable. One wrong number can mess up an entire report. Watch out for scams. Now, let's talk about the not-so-fun part, scams. Any job that asks you to pay money up front? Big red flag. If the job description is super vague or promises unrealistic pay, like $500 a day to copy and paste, that's another warning sign. Make sure to verify the company. Check reviews. Look them up on the Better Business Bureau. And only work through secure platforms that offer payment protection, especially when you're just starting out. Oh, and never give out personal details like your bank info or social security number before confirming the legitimacy of the job. Top 15 legitimate data entry job providers in 2025. Alright, now to the good stuff. Here are 15 platforms that offer legitimate remote data entry work in 2025. HireBasis, a great place to start. They connect freelancers with real, no investment needed data entry jobs. Clickworker offers microtasks for anyone to get started fast. Dion Data Solutions, real data management gigs, though some experience might be required. SigTrack, focused on voter registration work, U.S. residents only. Microworkers, quick and easy tasks, no experience required. Amazon M-Turk, a big name with lots of small tasks, including data tagging and verification. Fiverr, you set your service, pricing, and get clients from all over the world. Upwork, competitive but loaded with opportunities. Flex Jobs, curated listings of flexible and remote roles. Capital Typing, offers data entry and transcription work. The Smart Crowd, Lionbridge, crowdsourced gigs with flexible schedules. TDEC, data entry meets document management. Xerox, yes, the big brand. They offer remote data entry roles too. Lionbridge Careers, trusted worldwide, offers more than just data entry. Appen, known for flexible remote jobs, including data and AI training tasks. These platforms are your launchpad. Explore them all. See what fits. Many are beginner-friendly and offer flexible hours. What can you earn? Let's talk money. Entry-level data entry gigs pay between $10 to $17 per hour. Once you've got some experience, you could be earning $25 or more, especially if you specialize. What affects your pay? Speed, accuracy, complexity of the task, and the industry. Healthcare data entry usually pays more than basic copy-paste stuff. If you want to boost your earnings, get faster at typing, specialize in a niche like legal or medical transcription, and take on multiple clients or bulk projects. How to get started today? So how do you begin? Start by creating a resume that highlights your typing speed, attention to detail, and familiarity with tools like Excel or Google Sheets. You don't need a long work history, just focus on relevant skills. Then set up profiles on platforms like HireBasis, Upwork, and Fiverr. Take a free typing test at typingtest.com or typing.com. Some platforms let you upload certificates. It's a great way to prove your speed. And finally, apply. Apply a lot. Don't just wait for the perfect gig. Apply to 5, 10, 20 roles if needed. The more you try, the faster you'll land that first one. Final thoughts. Data entry might not sound glamorous, but it's one of the most accessible and flexible ways to earn online in 2025. And for many, it's the perfect stepping stone into the world of remote work. If you're ready to get started, I highly recommend checking out HireBasis.com. They've got a curated list of real data entry jobs, no fees, and roles that fit just about any schedule or experience level. Don't wait. Your remote career is just a few clicks away. Thumbs up like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more legit work from home guides, and drop a comment if you've tried any of these platforms. Thanks for watching, and happy typing.